Hi my beautiful friends. Today is Saturday afternoon and I have an unboxing that I want to do with you. It's a YSL small unboxing. After doing my last video, I noticed that there was one particular item missing from my luxury black handbag collection, and that's the item I'm gonna unbox with you today. I want to use this item to go out tonight for my date night and I want to share it with you. So let's get unboxing. It's date night, it's date night, it's date night. I want to use this item that I'm going to open with you for date night. Now, if you love this sort of content, if this is right up your alley, if you love luxury unboxing, you love some fashion and some lifestyle once in a while, don't forget to hit that ring bell notification so you can be notified every single time I upload a video, which is every Sunday and Wednesday. So, okay, the item that I'm gonna unbox with you, I have it in another color. I wore it throughout the summer and it was such a lovely piece to have. Now, what I love about this piece from YSL is that it has such an amazing price. I feel that the price is almost like the price of certain card wallets. Some small items from other brands is the price that you get for this piece of bag, which I need it in my collection because I felt like I don't have this. So let's unbox. So if you haven't ordered ever before from matchesfashion.com, this is where I ordered mine from. And when you open it up, it comes in this amazing packaging. Look at that. So pretty. And look how nice they package it up. Now, for me, I love ordering from Matches Fashion. I feel that they deliver through DHL and it comes so quickly that you even forgot for a second that you ordered it and it's at your door already. It's kind of like super duper delivery, almost like ordering pizza. It's so fast. Anyway, that's a little bit exaggerating, but this is all the paperwork that you get in there. So I want to show you what's in here. Like I said, I own this piece in another color, and that other color I used throughout the summer, and I'm gonna insert some pictures of me from my Instagram. By the way, I do have an Instagram, so if you don't follow me on Instagram, go ahead and follow me over on my Instagram page. You get to see more things about my life, about fashion, luxury, all the things that are all about me. So if you want to go ahead, I'm also going to include some pictures. Go ahead and follow me. I'm going to include some pictures of me wearing that bag during the summer that got so much attention. But this is my black version of it. So let's go ahead and unbox it. So it comes in this bags here to reveal this dust bag. What do you think it is? Take a guess. Take a guess. Say it to yourself while you're watching. Say it out loud. Okay. Dun, 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 dun. You can kind of tell by the shape of it. Okay, I haven't even seen this. I received it and the box just sat there until I'm opening it up right now with you on camera. Okay, it's to reveal this Uptown clutch. I believe that's the name of it. And look at it. It is like in a grained leather. Let me make sure I'm telling you the correct name of the item. It just says Saint Laurent pouch, but I think it is the Uptown clutch. So this is it. Look at that. How beautiful. And like I said, this was like about a little bit, maybe like over $400, which if you like to purchase items from Gucci or Louis Vuitton, that's like a card wallet or maybe just a regular wallet, but you get an entire clutch. And like I said, tonight's date night, I plan to rock this. I may include a picture of myself on my date night at the end of this video so you can see how I styled it up. But this is it here. Now, you may be saying to yourself, well, that looks kind of tiny, so maybe you won't fit that much. Well, like I said, I've owned the same one in a different color, and I want to show you what can fit in there. When I'm headed out for a night on the town, I don't want to bring too much. So let me show you what you can fit in this little pouch. You can basically fit the bare minimum, right? So you're going to bring your phone, which fits in there perfectly. I don't want to bring a wallet. I would bring my ID and I would bring some cash. And then you can see all of that is fitting very nicely in there. It is a little clutch, so you're not going to bring a lot. And then I would bring this lipstick here. Just put that here and let me show you what that looks like. For me, this is a night on the town. I'm not bringing too much. But if you want to bring your card wallet, let me show you what that looks like. This is a pretty flat clutch, so you can't put a lot in there. My other clutch that I featured in my luxury all black handbags, that clutch is definitely thicker and you can fit a lot more. But for this one, this would really be all I would bring. My phone, and I would have to say most people just bring that. A little bit of cash, my ID, and then this Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk lipstick. That's it. But if you actually don't like the idea of having some stuff like all over your bag and you want to be a little bit more organized and you do want to bring a card case, I have this Gucci one here and I'll show you how that fits with the phone, and then maybe just your lip gloss because that's all you're gonna have. Oops. Okay, your lip gloss. And that also fits nicely. So this is so beautiful. I love the price of it. I love the look of it. If you look closely, the leather is like a pebbled, grainy leather. So it's not that smooth, shiny leather. I believe they also make those. Now, the one that I had during the summer was this one here. The one that I had during the summer came in this box, and it is a canvas mixed with leather. And I enjoyed this bag so much. I thought that it was so different looking that it brought a pop to each outfit I wore with it. So this is definitely what inspired me to purchase this one. They have it in so many other colors. So I don't think for me this will be the end of the Uptown clutch, the YSL little pouch, because it is such a bang for your buck. Now, I've also seen other people take their chain. This is a chain that I have from one of my most recent Louis Vuitton purchases. It's called the Felici bag, but you can find this type of chain in Amazon. So this is mine, and what I have seen people do, and it's your choice if this is something that you like to do. I personally don't mind having a little handbag in my hand, a pouch, a clutch. I feel it looks so posh, so pretty that I don't mind it at all. But it depends where you're going. If you're going somewhere that maybe you want to be hands-free and you want to be able to keep your bag close to you and not have to worry about maybe placing it down and maybe misplacing it, you can add a strap. So I'll show you what that looks like. And basically what I did was just use the two little clasps and close it. And then you kind of lay it flat here. And for the rest of the night, you can have this hanging off of your arm. And the pretty gold jewelry it looks like on your arm. So that is one option if you want to do that. But I think that I'm definitely going to use it the way it was created. I'm going to just use it as it is. Friends, I just wanted to pop on here really quickly and just show you my brand new purchase, this beautiful YSL clutch. I am so happy I purchased it. I love the way it looks. I think that for the price, you're definitely getting something that adds a piece of class, sophistication, and elegance to every single one of your outfits. I first discovered it with this one, and I'm so glad I picked up this one. I think it's beautiful, and I'm definitely rocking it tonight for my date night. I'll try to include a picture of myself wearing it tonight on my date night, all styled up, so you can see how I would wear it out for a night of dinner, some sushi, some walking around, and some enjoying myself. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and subscribe. Bye.